Good afternoon, all judges and all my friends here. Today, we would like to perform a short play about equality, talking about the unfairness of having a boy or a girl in the family. And now, our short play about to begins.
Honey,
What? What are you doing there?
I'm carrying unhappy. No one help me.
Is this helping? Don't you know to put it down?
Honey, I want to have some water.
Water over there. Forget it yourself.
Why? I'm breathing. It's difficult for me to get it.
No, do it yourself.
Why are you so cold to me? Did I do something wrong?
You still need to ask me? Look at this. You already gave me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 girls already. If this time is still a boy, no, it's not a boy this time, then I'm not gonna care about you anymore.
This is the result. This is the boy.
Really? Is it a boy? Honey, please sit down. It's not good to the baby, you know?
Water. I want water.
Water. I get water for you. Here, honey, the water.
Oops, I want something sweet.
Sweet. Let me get an apple. Sweet.
Certainly I don't want sweet. I want sour.
But apple is also good.
Sour.
Oh, the sour. Here, lemon.
Let me tell you something. Why do you think the boy is more important than girl? When we also work. I also cook for you, do the housework and take care of the children. You just sit here and read newspaper. If the baby look like you, I prefer to have a girl rather.
I'm sorry, honey. Please forgive me. I would like you to do your housework and take care of the kids.
It's enough. I want to be divorced. I want to be like my home to be mom little princess.
Honey, don't go. Cool down. It's not your name on the results.
Really? Let me see.